Nala, we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. Nala, sit. Give me a high five. Yes! We hit 1,000 subscribers. Now tell everybody the other good news. Well, we're gonna give stuff away. Oh, you wanna give another high five? Yes! And we're giving stuff away. What's up, guys? Welcome to Grease Rookie Garage. Yes, we are over 1,000 subscribers, and that is not something that is easy to do. In fact, it is harder to do now on the YouTube platform than ever. There's more people on there, the algorithm has changed, and it's tough to do. So I am very humbled, and the bottom line is I'm having a blast out here in the garage, working on this car, and it's just really fun to have you guys tagging along and giving me input, advice, encouragement. It's been amazing. When I started this channel, I did not expect it. I just didn't imagine it would be anything like this. It's just above and beyond what I could have anticipated. So, with all that being said, I really want to thank you guys. And so we are going to I'm going to be giving away 4 prizes. So a lot of you know I've been on a really big kick lately with the artwork, designing posters and shirts. And I've done up one specific design for this giveaway, which is something that I'm calling Epic Mustangs, which is with the P51 Mustang and the 68 Mustang, the 68 Fastback, basically racing through kind of a desert area. So that design is going to get put on a sweatshirt. So that will be one of the prizes, is that on a premium sweatshirt. Another prize will be that design on an 18 by 24 inch poster, which, by the way, Jack, our last contest winner, did receive his poster, and he sent a picture of it on his wall framed. Here it is, and it looks awesome. So the posters are pretty popular too, I think. And then something else I'm throwing in there is actually a poster design I did for this garage of that Mustang down at the CJ Pony Parts showroom, the Midnight Confessions Mustang. I love that Mustang, and I did a painting of it for my garage, and I printed a poster of it, and I printed an extra poster for a giveaway, and I also put it on a mug. So I can't sell that one, but I can give it away. So those will be the 4 prizes for the giveaway. And what you have to do to enter is you need to be a subscriber. So subscribe if you're not. Like this video and then leave a comment. And that's all you have to do to enter. You will be entered to win. And I will select 4 entries, and then of those 4 entries, it will randomly be decided who gets what prize. And the winner of the premium sweatshirt, I will make sure that we get you the correct size that you want. If you need an XL or a small, we can work that out. So those are the 4 prizes: the sweatshirt, there's 2 posters, 2 different posters, and then a mug. And again, to enter, you need to subscribe or be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and comment. Now, the unfortunate thing is, legally doing this, you must be a resident of the United States, and that personally is a big bummer for me because there's a handful of you guys that are not, and I know it, and you are loyal subscribers, and I feel bad about that. But unfortunately, I have to abide by the rules. So the rules and regulations are in the description of this video, so check those out. And the contest is going to run for 10 days. So in 10 days, I will announce the winners, and you will be given so long to collect your prize. And if a winner does not collect the prize, then I will draw another winner until all the items are given away. So, I mean, like I said, I wanted to give more prizes away just because I did that quick giveaway a few weeks earlier, and I felt kind of bad, and I wanted to try to do more. So that's what I'm doing. So yes, we're at 1,000 subscribers, or we're over 1,000 subscribers now. Things are going great. You guys give me so much motivation, so much encouragement. I've said before, all the feedback, all the constructive criticism is welcome because I am not a professional. I am learning as I go, and it very much feels like this is a team effort with this car. I really mean that. There is so much advice and knowledge I've been given from you guys that has helped me, and I couldn't be doing this alone. Like I've just gotten so much help that, I mean, maybe I could be doing it alone, but it would be taking a lot longer. So Guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for tagging along for this. This will be a quick video. I just wanted to make the announcement for the giveaway. And hopefully, I start messing around with the quarter panel for a video this Sunday. And then the winner will be drawn again 10 days from now. So all that being said, guys, I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And until the next episode, stay driven.